Practical applications and case studies in digital systems. Digital systems play a crucial role in everyday life, from selecting the right hardware for tasks to ensuring secure communication and handling data efficiently. This section explores real-world applications and case studies demonstrating how digital concepts are applied. 1. Selecting the right hardware for a task. Choosing the right hardware depends on the type of task a user needs to perform. Different tasks require different levels of computing power, memory, and storage. A. Basic tasks: web browsing, document editing, video streaming. Recommended hardware. CPU, dual-core processor, Intel i3, AMD Ryzen 3. RAM, 4 GB to 8 GB. Storage, 256 GB SSD. GPU, integrated graphics. Example, a student writing an assignment and browsing the web only needs a basic laptop with an Intel i3 processor and 8 GB RAM. B. Gaming and multimedia editing, graphic design, video editing, streaming. Recommended hardware. CPU, quad-core or higher, Intel i5, i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 7. RAM, 16 GB+. Storage, 512 GB SSD or larger. GPU, dedicated graphics card, NVIDIA RTX, AMD Radeon. Example, a professional video editor working with 4K video files needs a powerful CPU, 32 GB RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU for smooth rendering. C. Data science, machine learning, and AI development. Recommended hardware. CPU, multi-core processor, Intel i9, AMD Ryzen 9. RAM, 64 GB+. Storage, 1 TB SSD. GPU, high-end AI-compatible GPU, NVIDIA RTX 4090 Tesla series. Example, a researcher training an AI model requires a powerful GPU with parallel processing capabilities, such as an NVIDIA Tesla GPU, to handle complex computations. 2. Understanding encryption in everyday life. Encryption is used to protect data in various real-world applications. It secures personal communication, financial transactions, and sensitive information. A. Online banking and payment systems. Encryption method used, TLS, transport layer security, and AES encryption. Protects user data, ensuring credit card details and banking information are not intercepted. Digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal use encryption to secure transactions. Example, when a customer makes an online purchase, their card details are encrypted and sent securely to the bank, preventing hackers from stealing information. B. Messaging apps and email security. Apps like WhatsApp, Signal, and Telegram use end-to-end encryption, E2EE, ensuring that only the sender and receiver can read messages. Emails are secured using PGP, Pretty Good Privacy, encryption to protect sensitive communications. Example, if a journalist is sending confidential documents via email, PGP encryption ensures that only the intended recipient can decrypt and read the files. C. Secure website browsing, HTTPS versus HTTP. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, uses encryption to protect website traffic. Websites with HTTPS encrypt user data, preventing attackers from stealing login credentials and payment details. Browsers display a padlock icon in the address bar to indicate a secure website. Example, if a user logs into their bank account using an HTTP website, their username and password are sent in plain text, making them vulnerable to hackers. Using an HTTPS website encrypts the data for security. 3. Converting text, images, and audio to binary real-world applications. Digital systems process all types of data in binary format. Below are examples of how binary conversion is applied in daily life. A. Digital photography and image compression. When a picture is taken, it is stored in JPEG or PNG format using binary pixel values. Compression reduces file size while maintaining image quality using algorithms like lossy, JPEG, or lossless, PNG, compression. Example, a 12-megapixel camera captures 12 million pixels, and each pixel is stored as a 24-bit binary value for RGB color representation. B. Music streaming and digital audio processing. Music is recorded as an analog sound wave and converted into binary digital audio files, MP3, WAV, AAC. The sampling rate, e.g., 44.1 kHz for CDS, determines how often the sound wave is measured. Higher bit depth, 16-bit, 24-bit, improves audio quality. Example, Spotify and Apple Music use MP3 and AAC formats to compress music files while maintaining sound quality. C. Speech-to-text and voice assistants. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant convert speech into binary using natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. Sound waves are sampled, digitized, and analyzed in real time. Example, when a user says, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" the assistant converts the sound into binary, processes the request, and provides an answer. 4. Case studies. Real-world use of digital systems. Case Study 1, How Encryption Prevented a Major Cyber Attack. In 2013, the U.S. government revealed that hackers attempted to steal sensitive defense information. Because military communications were encrypted using AES encryption, the attackers were unable to read classified messages. This demonstrated the importance of strong encryption in national security. Lesson: Encryption is essential for protecting confidential information from cyber threats. Case Study 2, How a Poor Hardware Choice Led to Business Failure. In 2017, a startup launched a budget-friendly laptop with low-end hardware, Intel Atom CPU, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Customers complained about slow performance, limited storage, and poor multitasking capabilities. Due to poor hardware selection, the company failed to attract buyers and eventually shut down. Lesson: Choosing the right hardware specifications is critical for meeting customer needs and ensuring business success. Case Study 3, How AI uses binary data for image recognition. AI models like Google Lens and facial recognition systems use binary encoded images to identify objects, people, and text. Neural networks analyze millions of binary pixel patterns to detect faces, classify objects, and read handwritten text. Example, Facebook's facial recognition system scans uploaded photos, matches binary encoded facial features, and suggests friend tags. 5. Summary of key takeaways. Choosing the right hardware depends on the task, basic, gaming, AI, etc. Encryption protects data in online banking, messaging, and website browsing. Text, images, and audio are converted into binary for efficient storage and transmission. Case studies show how digital systems impact cybersecurity, business success, and AI development.